Hello and welcome. Today I show you an unusual autumnal starter, figs with beetroots on a bed of arugula with a sweet and sour cassis vinaigrette. You put the beetroot in a small pot and cover it with water. With a pinch of salt you let it cook for 1 hour approximately, drain and let the beetroot stand to cool. In the meantime, you can crack the walnuts. They can be released easier if you crack them in the middle of the shell and not on the sides. In order to peel off the skin of the beetroot, take it in between 2 paper napkins and simply rub it off like I'm showing you here. Then you cut off the root part, halve and quarter it. Every quarter I'm cutting into 3 parts. Put everything in a bowl until needed. For the sauce, you put into a small casserole 2 teaspoons of cassis jam, 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and 4 teaspoons of simple water. Salt and pepper. Bring it to a soft boil so that the vinegar loses its sharpness. During the time it takes, you can prepare the plates. Cut off the stems of the arugula and arrange it centric on your plate. On it you place some lamb's lettuce, but not too much. In the meantime, the sauce has reduced. It should be so thick that the base of the saucepan can be seen for a brief moment. Trust your intuition. Then you add the beetroot for reheating. Just enough time to cut the figs into halves and then into thirds. The beets are reheated and you place them on the salad. The prepared figs are put in the saucepan to get their turn of temperature. Take care not to overheat them or they will lose their structure. They should stay firm. Some last refinement with olive oil, one last careful mixing, and you place the figs on the beetroots. Some remaining sauce in the pan is ladled over them. Finally, you decorate the dish with the prepared walnuts, some drops of olive oil just in case, and for finishing touches some sea salt and pepper is added. And now you should be serving this starter ASAP, as it is supposed to be eaten lukewarm. It's not only looking sensational, it's also an explosion of all kinds of tastes. Ingredients and amounts you will find in the description below. See you soon and guten Appetit!